loves, good morning. Where do I start? It was a beautiful morning. Yesterday was wholesome, man. Okay, we're good. Yesterday was so wholesome. I don't know if I've plugged you guys before with this pretty number. Okay, it's done now, but it's on. I think I did one of my videos in the coast. I think I did. I'm gonna repeat it again. Oh, guys, this one for this winter. Need to get anyone. Guys, welcome back to your girl's YouTube channel, to your ladies YouTube channel. Hello guys, hello beloveds, welcome back. It is your lady Mrs. Caleb here. Thank you once again. The numbers are increasing. I love seeing you. Every time I log onto the app and I refresh, it's always an increment on those numbers. I'm very happy seeing that, and I read each and every comment on my videos. I may not have replied immediately, but eventually I do respond to it. And you know, before, okay, I would upload the video today, but before I even get to sit and really read your comments, trust me, Mr. K has already gone through most of them, if not all of them. And you'd already tell me, oh, some people are saying this, this and this and this, this and this and this. Yeah, so I see all that. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. And continue supporting your girl as I continue creating memories for both myself, my loved ones. And like I keep saying, I can't wait for my daughter to go see these videos and be like, oh my gosh, mommy thought you were cool. Or really, that was the thing back then. You know how we look at our parents now, some of their styles when it comes to fashion, to different things, man. Or when they tell you the story, like, oh, back in the days, us, the girl when I used to do this, or when I, you know, things like that. I'm so curious to see how different will life be in a few years. So yeah, but along the way, this is what they're going to see. This is the person they're going to love. And also, I'm not going to be here forever. So one day when I'm gone, my loved ones and everybody else who loves and supports me will go through these videos, and they'll still have fresh memories of me. Okay, so I really have this channel because of memories. Like, that is my number one thing. Everything else just follows, but the memories. And I realized I've forgotten some important moments, but when you have documented it, when you have written it down, you know, when you go through, whether your notes, whether your video, it reminds you of the memory, like it's still fresh. There's so many things happening. Your brain has it all, but it doesn't always, like, you don't always think about it often. You understand? I got to also appreciate the thought of creating memories with the videos and pictures after our daughter was born, because I sit down and I hear people saying, oh my gosh, she's so grounded, and I've forgotten how she actually looked like a few months ago or when she was born. It's like the memories are starting to fade a little bit. I have to really think hard, you know. For instance, I'm happy that I did my birth video immediately, because if I was to do it now, so many months later, I would definitely have forgotten some details, things like that. So I go back to our daughter's pictures for me to, you know, relive the moment again. Like, oh my gosh, oh yes, look, she's smaller here. Oh, this time she wasn't doing this. You know, I can't remember her not speaking, not making sounds. Like, it's as if I woke up and she's already making sounds, you know, things like that. So memories are really, really important. Can't even stress that enough. Have you guys noticed that I keep correcting myself? I keep saying my daughter, and then later I'm like, our daughter. I can't be the one who does that. I cannot be. Is it because, is it a mom thing? Are we overprotective? What are we doing? Is our daughters alone? Or what are we doing? But yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. So yes, oh, it's been 5 minutes. What am I talking about? So what are we doing today? Today is a beautiful day. I am here. I just parked. I am by Slay by Tia, and you know, when I say Slay by Tia, I'm sure you know. Okay, I forgot my ring at home. Nothing new. I only realized because I'm saying, oh, my hands are so naked. So when I'm at Slay by Tia, then you already know what's about to go down. When it comes to the hair, when it comes to the face beat, the girl also has acne spots. But yeah, so you already know what's happening. So what are we doing today? Today we are having a photo shoot. But for what? Why? Okay, so here's the thing. If you've watched my birth story, the sit down, I spoke about that the day I popped, I was supposed to go to Tia to get my hair and face beat, and that I had a shoot booked. So that shoot was booked and paid for. Obviously, it's only booked when it's paid for, right? So the shoot was booked, but then I had to cancel it because new mom vibes the day of the shoot. It's been a few months now, and I was like, okay, my birthday is also coming up. Let me just have a shoot. Let's call it a birthday shoot. But also because if we don't have it now, in the so many coming months, we're not planning to have a shoot. Like, I want a reason to have a shoot. Like, name it anything, but there should be a reason. Why should I just have a shoot? Just because these things come with a cost. So otherwise it would have been on our daughter's first birthday, and that's a year of just a shoot hanging. You understand what I'm saying? So we thought we were going to have it now. And oh, by the way, it is Father's Day. By the way, it is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day. Doesn't matter how late you're going to see this video. Happy Father's Day to every father figure. This is your day. We need to tell you guys how supportive, how important the roles you're playing. Okay, yes, you're told those things every now and then by your partner, by your family, by the world, but may today be the day we really pour our hearts out in appreciation. Like for my husband, today is the day I tell him more, where I appreciate his life, his presence, both in my life and our daughter's life. He helped me a lot. He has been around, and by around I'm not just saying he has been involved from day one. Everything that has to do with baby, he was always willing to. We're all willing to learn together. We're willing to attend certain things to help us, to guide us. You know, during prayer sessions, we are doing this together. Like, you don't feel alone. You feel like I do have someone doing this with me. Parenthood, you know, we're really doing it well together, and I really appreciate him so much. I love him so much. And so I woke up to gifting him this morning, and after the shoot we're planning to, okay, he doesn't know this, but I'm planning to go out for lunch, you know, just something. And that's that. Tomorrow is work. Today is a Sunday. Tomorrow is work, so yeah, nothing much. But also I love gifting a lot. I don't know, I really love gifting so much. But yeah, I hope you enjoy your Father's Day. I I don't know, I'm not gonna say every person should gift the baby daddy or the father figure or anything, but just that I feel like this is where words of affirmation also comes in. Like, say it, tell him, why do you love his presence? What do you appreciate? What do you like about the things that he does? All those things. I think it's important you tell him. Yeah, I don't think, obviously he knows, or yeah, he's supposed to do it. He's the father. Guys, I mean, didn't this man also appreciate you when it was Mother's Day? Are you not supposed to do it? Are you not the mom? You get, so it's a give and take. Alrighty, let me get to my girl. By the way, she's not here. And I have my coffee with me. So I'm having Jacobs with no sugar, and I'm pretty sure Coach V is going to love it. And I love my cup. I got this from Clicks Grow, but it is the only one there's a last one there. I don't know if other clicks have it, and I don't know if you're going to get it better into the video. Oh yeah, and from Slay by Tia, I need to go to my guy Synergy for my dress. We're doing something really simple. It's going to be a very simple family shoot, chilled. So yeah, see you guys. I'll try to take you guys along, show you guys snippets of the shoot. For now, let me enjoy my coffee while I wait for Tia. She said she's on her way. So guys, my girl is finally here, my homeless girl. But I must at least one day come here, Tia, when you are going out so they see how you look. Yes, please. The transformation is real. You must see her shoots. Guys. So installing a wig for a big ass face.
Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Eh, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play, give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby if you make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh wanna odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick me ma hotepe oh. Yeah, you bring the energy that I need to charge my life. Bring the and if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah, and you are the time of my life. Oh my life, yeah. You brought the days to my night. Yeah, you brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You go take my breath away. Oh wow, she go make magic in the bedroom and I can't wait. Big move, in love with you forever. Yeah. No day I wanna odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh. Yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And me if it do you.
Beloved, so here's our final look. Back home, I am just going to try and get baby girl ready. Oh, I forgot to take you with for my first and final fitting with my designer. Picked up the dress. We love it. Who's the designer? Synergy did my dress. You guys are going to love it. So yes, let me try and get baby girl ready. We still got enough time, but need to speed up. See you guys in a while. Shoot ready. I'm excited. The girl is in a good mood so far. So please push button for the gate to be opened. This one. Darling. Side looks like that here. Thank you. Driver, my driver. Oh, it's fine. I can see. Good, how are you? Good. Hello. How are you? So this is the bar area.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so this is the other side of the outside where we'll be seated. It's a bit windy, but it's also sunny, so it's not too bad. It's really windy. I don't know if you can hear me. I actually don't. Oh, it's a lot, so there should be more speakers like that. No, those ones. And those ones. Probably the rooms. Should I ask out of curiosity? This is their menu. It's really windy. We're going back inside. Snacking menu, wines and beverages, plus what they have, ciders, wada, everything, mineral water, ciders, some whiskeys. And Swedish 12 years. That's my uncle's favorite drink. Rum, vodka, some gin, some tequilas and everything. Alrighty. Daddy went to look for a table. You go. Come on now. Penny. Oh, so this is the pool area. Has a little view. Because taking pictures of me. Having some hot chocolate. Because it's a bit chilled. Chilly. You guys are definitely gonna hear baby girl's voice in the background, but you know. Yeah, girl. I hear you. It's been such a while since I wore color on my lips. Because this is really new. But we're liking the look. Stake's daughter is doing the most. Guys, Mr. K's daughter is too loud. I think it is not packed. Sure? Man. We're still waiting for our food. I wish I had a story time for you guys, so we kill time. I'm hungry. So we ordered the same meal. This is oxtail what? And some oxtail stew and coleslaw. This is coleslaw, no? And rice. Bathroom vibes. So remember when we entered, we had to press the button, but when you're leaving, you just approach the gate slowly and it automatically opens. Yeah. Left. We just left the lodge. We are heading back home now. We did love something we definitely want to come back for, and the staff, they're really nice. I think the only thing that disturbed me is the fact that we had to carry to carry the stroller into the building, so they didn't have provision for that. And I'm assuming they really don't, because when we were carrying it, there was a staff that saw us. So, I mean, if they did have it, they would have directed us there, right? So if you have to go there, just take note of that. But overall, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And I see they are busy working on the road that links there from, maybe said what? Like the airport road. So once it's done, I think it's going to be very easy accessible, which is very important for drivers, right? So yeah, this concludes our day. I am honestly very tired. It's been a long day. It's been a long first day, and I would want to call today family day, because ever since morning to now, I'm literally looking at my husband and I'm out of this face. Like, literally in my face. Yeah, no? Trying the heart control lot. Okay. We waited somewhere. The post I measure where drongos or something. That one about. Oh! No, but commercial property. Yes. Yeah. Oh yes. So toodles noodles. Sun-kissed vibes. This sleigh by Tia Bit is going to sleep on my face. I'm joking. I really hate the fact that you only wear makeup for a few hours and wash it off. Like, can't you just remove the face put it there and it gets wet another time, at least twice? Why is it not reusable? Come on. But yeah, I'll see you guys another time in my next video. Like, this area reminds you of what? We had a shoot here. Who's wedding?
Mr. Nagapunda Pena.
Yes. So toodles, from me, Mrs. K.